Good morning, class. So, by the way, my name is Muhammad Janine Im Abdullah, so you can call me Teacher Abdullah. So, before we start, I will check your attendance. Then, say your favorite number if you are here. Mr. Wasim, are you here? Okay, thank you. Then, Mr. Abdullah, are you here? Yeah, okay. Same last name, surname. So, thank you. No one is absent for today. So, class, let us review our lesson. So, what is quadratic equation? So, yes, a quadratic equation is a mathematical sentence whose highest degree is 2. So, the example of quadratic equation is ax squared plus x bx is equals plus c is equals to 0. So, remember the class that quadratic equation, the highest degree is 2. Okay, 2. And another to remember of quadratic equation is the symbol of equal sign. So, now class, is this quadratic equation? So, now class, is this a quadratic equation? Can you see? This 4x squared plus 25 is equals to 0. So, is this quadratic equation? Okay, yes, this is a quadratic equation because of the degree of 2 and the equal sign. So, another one is this a quadratic equation? This quantity of 3x plus 3 plus quantity of x plus 3 times quantity of x minus 4 is greater than 2, 0. So, is this quadratic equation? Yes. If it's not quadratic equation, so what we can tell about this equation? Equation? Yes, it is a quadratic inequality. So, if we are going to change the equal sign, this equal sign, with this equal sign, this equal sign into this, what you can tell about this? Is that quadratic? It is quadratic inequality. Yes. So, a quadratic inequality class is a mathematical sentence whose highest degree is 2. Same as quadratic inequality. But the difference is the symbol. Oh yes, the symbol. So, in a quadratic inequalities, the symbol this, like this less than or greater than is used for, yes, quadratic inequalities. So, remember class that quadratic inequalities is 2 degree, then tapos hindi siya equal sign. So, okay. So, can you identify, if I'm going to write E plus C bx plus C is less than to 0, is that quadratic inequality? Yes, quadratic inequality. So, class, remember that this ax squared plus bx plus c is greater than to 0, is less than and greater than to 0, is the standard form of quadratic inequality. So, the symbol we were going to use in quadratic inequality is this. The greater than. Can you see? The greater than, greater than, less than, and greater than or equal. Then, less than or equal. So, that is the symbol used in quadratic inequality. So, I am going to show if it is quadratic inequality or not. So, yung example ko kanina, this quadratic inequality. Though, yes, quadratic siya kasi once na gamitin mo yung FOIL method, magiging quadratic inequality siya. Another one is this. Is this quadratic inequalities? Yes, because of this degree na 2 at saka yung symbol na less than. Yes. So, guys, class, is this quadratic inequalities? No, because of the symbol. Yes, correct. So, we will have an activity for today. So, I want you to answer in a one-part sheet of paper. So, I will post. I will write it here if our quiz. So, get one part of sheet of paper.
I know.